By default, after we have created a hyperlink, the browser will take us to the destination page in the current window. This means the current page will be replaced by the destination page. But sometimes we might want to keep the old page and open a new page in a new window. So how do we do that? Well, if you want to keep the current page and open the destination page in a new window, you need to add another attribute to the A tag. This is the target attribute. The target attribute's default value is _self. This means all destination pages will be opened in the current window and replace the current one. But if you set its value to _blank, all destination pages will be opened in a new blank window. The current page will be kept.